Donewin Bedside Lamp with Clock. First up, we have the Donewin Bedside Lamp with Clock. This versatile lamp is perfect for decluttering your nightstand, combining lighting and charging in one sleek package. With just a tap, you can cycle through the lamp's various light settings for the perfect ambiance. The lamp also features a wireless charging pad on top of the digital clock, so you can charge your phone effortlessly as you rest. Additionally, it comes with a USB port on the back for charging other devices, so you can keep all your gadgets powered up without the hassle of tangled cords. The Donewin lamp comes as a set of 3 for just $30, making it an affordable yet high-quality addition to your bedside setup. Its minimalistic design complements any room, creating a soothing and clutter-free space. It's a great way to bring both style and functionality to your bedside. Light-up speaker. Next, we have the light-up speaker, a Bluetooth speaker that brings the party wherever you go. This compact yet powerful speaker can be used indoors or outdoors, and it's even waterproof for worry-free use in the pool, shower, or beach. One of the best features is its 7 color options, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere wherever you are. Change the color to suit your mood, from a relaxing blue for a soothing bath to a vibrant red for an energetic party. The speaker has a range of up to 50 feet from your device, giving you plenty of freedom to move around while you enjoy your favorite tunes. Its rechargeable battery ensures you have hours of playtime for your gatherings, and it even floats on water, making it a great companion for pool parties and beach trips. Sleep headphones and eye mask make 2024 the year you prioritize your sleep with the sleep headphones and eye mask. This clever combo includes a comfortable eye mask that blocks out light and provides a gentle, soothing pressure to help you relax. The integrated headphones allow you to listen to calming music or ambient sounds as you drift off. Whether you prefer nature sounds, white noise, or your favorite tunes, these headphones create a serene environment to help you unwind. At just $23 on Amazon, this sleep mask and headphone combo is an affordable way to enhance your sleep quality. Treat yourself to a better night's rest with this unique gadget. LuminAid Solar Inflatable Lantern. If you're planning a camping trip or just enjoy the great outdoors, the LuminAid Solar Inflatable Lantern is a game changer. This innovative lantern uses solar energy during the day, so it can provide bright, dependable light at night. The lantern's inflatable design makes it easy to pack and carry, and it's lightweight enough to take on any adventure. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this lantern provides an efficient and eco-friendly lighting solution. At just $30 on Amazon, the LuminAid lantern is a fantastic addition to your outdoor gear collection. It's perfect for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates unique and useful gadgets. U-Bolt Smart Lock. Now let's talk about the U-Bolt Smart Lock, a secure and convenient way to protect your home. This innovative smart lock offers multiple methods for unlocking your door, including fingerprint recognition, a numerical code, smartphone control, and a traditional key for backup. Logging your fingerprint on your smartphone is quick and simple, and once done, you can unlock your door with just a touch of the central plate. This feature is especially useful when your hands are full and you can't fumble for your keys. In addition, the U-Bolt Smart Lock offers enhanced security features like an anti-peeping password, where you can enter random digits before or after your actual code to prevent onlookers from guessing your passcode. This smart lock is also on sale for Amazon Prime Day, so take advantage of the deal while you can. LapGear Home Office Pro Lap Desk with Wrist Rest. If you find yourself working from different areas of your home, the LapGear Home Office Pro Lap Desk with Wrist Rest is a must-have. This portable lap desk provides a comfortable, stable surface for your laptop or tablet so you can work efficiently from your bed or couch. The desk features a mouse pad, phone slot, and a plush wrist rest for added comfort. Plus, the cushions underneath the desk fit snugly against your legs, providing a stable surface and ensuring you stay comfortable throughout your workday. Whether you're attending virtual meetings or catching up on work tasks, the LapGear Lap Desk is a game changer. It's an affordable investment that boosts productivity and creates a cozy, ergonomic workspace wherever you are. Smartish Magnetic Cord Holder. Keep your chargers neat and organized with the Smartish Magnetic Cord Holder. This strong magnet can hold up to 6 cables, keeping them aligned and off the floor. The powerful magnet ensures your cords stay in place, so you won't have to worry about them slipping or getting tangled. Plus, the holder's compact design makes it easy to fit on your desk, nightstand, or workspace. Say goodbye to cable chaos and embrace a more organized setup with the Smartish Magnetic Cord Holder. For just $11 on Amazon, it's an affordable way to tidy up your cords and create a clean, efficient workspace. Indoor Herb Garden Kit with Grow Light. If you love gardening but struggle with limited outdoor space or harsh weather conditions, the Indoor Herb Garden Kit with Grow Light is perfect for you. This indoor garden allows you to grow your favorite herbs all year round, bringing fresh flavors to your meals. The kit comes with a full set of herb seeds, soil, and a hydroponic growing system. The built-in Grow Light ensures your herbs get the optimal light they need, even in areas with little natural sunlight. In just a few weeks, you'll have a lush, thriving indoor garden with basil, parsley, mint, and more. Priced at just $173 on Amazon, this kit is an investment that pays off in fresh, homegrown herbs for cooking and garnishing. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, you'll love the convenience and satisfaction of having your own indoor garden. Duo Meal Station Food Maker. Cooking just got easier with the Duo Meal Station Food Maker. This 6-in-1 device features 2 steamer baskets and a 3-blade food processor, making meal prep a breeze. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, this versatile device can handle a variety of tasks to simplify your cooking experience. The steamer baskets allow you to cook multiple foods at once, while the food processor helps you prepare sauces, purees, and more. The Duo Meal Station Food Maker also comes with preset cooking programs, so you can cook with confidence even if you're a beginner in the kitchen. Priced at just $158 on Amazon, it's an investment that will transform your kitchen routine. Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Bags. Go plastic-free and embrace sustainability with the Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Bags. These colorful, versatile bags are perfect for storing food, cosmetics, and more. Not only are they great for cooking and meal prep, but they're also excellent for traveling, helping you pack snacks, toiletries, or other essentials. The bags are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them convenient for everyday use. At just $9 on Amazon, you can start making a positive impact on the environment while keeping your food fresh and your belongings organized. Embrace a more sustainable lifestyle with Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Bags. Herb Saver Best Keeper. Keep your herbs fresh for longer with the Herb Saver Best Keeper. This unique kitchen gadget helps maintain the vitality of your herbs, allowing you to enjoy their flavor for days on end. To use, simply place your herbs inside the keeper and fill the base with water. The device ensures your herbs stay hydrated without becoming soggy, keeping them fresher for longer. This gadget fits right into your refrigerator, providing a convenient way to store and access your herbs. For just $11 on Amazon, the Herb Saver Best Keeper is an excellent investment that reduces waste and saves you money on buying fresh herbs frequently. Give your kitchen an upgrade with this simple but effective solution. Auxiwa Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. Take your selfies to the next level with the Auxiwa Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. This compact, portable light easily clips onto your phone and provides 3 different settings to enhance your photos. Whether you're capturing photos in low light or want to add a touch of drama to your selfies, this ring light has you covered. Its easy-to-use design means you can carry it anywhere, ensuring your photos always look great. At just $11 on Amazon, this selfie ring light is an affordable addition to your photography gear. Elevate your selfie game with the Auxiwa Clip-On Selfie Ring Light. Lollimeow Pet Portable Carrier. Take your indoor cat or small dog on new adventures with the Lollimeow Pet Portable Carrier. This stylish carrier offers a safe and comfortable space for your pet, making traveling a breeze. The carrier's transparent dome gives your pet a clear view of their surroundings, helping them feel at ease during travel. Available in a variety of colors, you can coordinate the carrier with your pet's personality or your own style. Whether you're going to the vet, exploring a new park, or just taking a stroll around the neighborhood, this carrier ensures your pet stays safe and happy. At just $35 on Amazon, it's an excellent addition for pet owners who want to take their furry friends on the go. Furbo Dog Camera. Pamper your pooch and give yourself peace of mind with the Furbo Dog Camera. This high-tech gadget allows you to keep an eye on your furry friend from anywhere, so you never have to worry about them when you're away. The camera offers high-definition video streaming, giving you a clear view of your pet's activities. The two-way audio feature lets you talk to your dog, providing comfort and reassurance while you're not home. One of the standout features is the treat dispenser, which lets you surprise your pup with a tasty snack at the press of a button. The Furbo Dog Camera is a perfect blend of technology and pet care, making it a must-have for any pet lover. Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. Health and fitness enthusiasts will love the Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. This sleek blender whips up the yummiest smoothies and shakes, making healthy living a breeze. The blender features a unique blending system that ensures a smooth consistency for your drinks. Whether you're making a post-workout shake or a refreshing smoothie, the Beast Blender delivers exceptional results. It even comes with a matching infuser water bottle to help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Available in white, black, and gray, this stylish set is perfect for your daily health and wellness routine. You can get it for just $195 on Amazon.